Hi knitters, it's Annette at needlepointers.com, and this video tutorial will help you learn how to knit the linen stitch, which creates a flat, textured, woven, sturdy fabric. The right side resembles horizontal bars of yarn mixed with V-shaped stitches scattered throughout. The back side of the fabric has bumps that resemble the seed or moss stitch. The linen stitch is a simple 2-row repeat that uses a combination of knit stitches, purl stitches, slip stitches, yarn forward, and yarn back. To make the linen stitch, cast on your knitting needles an even number of stitches using your favorite cast-on method. Then for row 1, you're going to knit the first stitch, then you're going to bring your yarn to the front, slip the next stitch purlwise, then take your yarn to the back, and as you see, when you do that, you have wrapped the yarn around the slip stitch. Then knit the next stitch, yarn to the front, slip, yarn to the back, and knit. Yarn to the front, slip, yarn to the back, and knit. Continue doing the knitting and slipping to the end of the row. At the end of the row, turn your work and we're ready for row 2. Row 2 will be the first stitch you're going to purl. Then take your yarn to the back, and again, the next stitch is slip purlwise. Yarn to the front and purl. Yarn to the back. Well, first I have to take the stitch off the needle. There. Yarn to the back and slip. Yarn to the front, purl. Back, slip, and continued purling and slipping to the end of the row. Repeat these 2 rows until your piece is the length you desire. I hope you're inspired to knit up a project using the linen stitch. Thank you so much for watching. Was this tutorial helpful? Please like, share, and comment. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Help us by sharing our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free knitting tutorials and projects. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter, which informs you about new craft projects and videos.